Welcome everyone back to Mr. Dar weather updates. In today's video, we're live radar. Look at the UKV, and the temperature for the next 5 days, and the temperature as well. Look at GFS, ECM, and the UKV one for the next couple of weeks. That will also take us to the 12th of August. We'll be able to extend about that with the extended ECM, WF, GFS, and Centrals. So I'll have that for you in a second, and I'll deliver that to you now actually. So if you look at the live radar, you can see generally fairly, mixed day really. We've got quite nice, bright, sunny conditions in the north with some scattered showers in Scotland. Could even be heavy at times actually in some areas. We've got the odd patchy shower in even southern England actually. I think that's a northwest westerly wind, so that could even get into London actually. These showers, hopefully, they really do need it at this moment. We've even got some heavy pulses of rain in parts of the southwest. That's going to move east. Hopefully, it doesn't weaken because they do need the rain. We've also got some more patchy rain in Lincolnshire. If you look at the UK, we have oops, not that one. If you look at the UK, we have oh no, not yet. Why does this keep doing this? There we go. Look at the UKV, having a look at the precipitation and temperatures for the next 5 days. We've obviously had a cold front moving in. That was moving southeast, bringing fresh conditions with it and patchy showers as well. And multiple spells. And it's quite sunny for Friday, really. Clear spells in the morning with some patchy showers, a bit of a hazy sunshine possible. And a bit more showers likely in Scotland, most likely. So not too bad, actually. Again, we can see some showers in the Irish Sea as well. On to Saturday, again, very similar to Friday, really. Hazy sunshine with some showers possible in the north. Could break up later, perhaps, in the north-west of England. And then that'll break up to bring another clear night, with showers lingering in Scotland. On to Sunday, quite similar, a bit more cloud around in the north-west. That will build throughout the day, with a front of rain moving in from the southwest, it's not very heavy really, to be honest, but persistent rain in the northwest, not too much in the south yet. Obviously that band of rain will be intensifying in Scotland as well, so a bit heavy pulses in the hills, they'll be heavy in some areas, and then we've got heavy showers behind it, could move up north, so hopefully that gives you a bit of a wake-up call. If you do have a look at temperatures for the next 5 days, because it's a lot fresher today, 30 degrees is likely, 29 degrees most likely, sorry. And then as we go over to Friday, you can see Scotland, very cool actually, low to mid-teens, the highest we'll see 17 degrees. Northern England, again, we're only in the teens, past low 20s. So very cool, a bit below average for the time of year. And that's into the 31st of July. And the rest of areas, so that's central and southern England, we're in the low to mid-20s. The highest we'll see is 25 degrees, so much closer to season average, if not a little bit above at times. Looking over to, this is Saturday, Saturdays. If this lets me, come on. Yeah, so if you look at Saturday's temperatures, you can see quite similar really. Again, low to mid-teens in Scotland, so again 17 degrees is likely. And then high teens, low 20s in England. So yeah, that's right there. And then possibly around the low to mid-20s as well in England. So 24, 25 Celsius, so around the same as yesterday's, 22 miles. Why does this keep doing this? So what's the point of doing this? There we go. I know it's a low resolution model, but I don't know why it keeps cutting out on me. There we go. Okay, as we go on to Sunday, well, it's a little bit warmer in the southeast, as you can see there, but let's have a look at Scotland first. So Scotland, a little bit higher actually. This time in the most likely high teens, low 20s, so because it's 21 Celsius in southern Scotland. Otherwise, a little bit cooler in the north of Scotland. Northern England, warming up a little bit with low to mid 20s, 24 Celsius is likely in eastern England, northeastern England. Central and southern areas were in the mid to high 20s, so getting back up to quite high temperatures again. So 28, perhaps even a local 29 Celsius is possible. We have seen it. I mean, there's been so many days of 30 Celsius and 28 Celsius, and it's quite evident, really. And again, we've got another hot spell coming up, which is it was a bit unexpected, really, but still quite hot. Not as hot as recent, though. But Scotland was really cool, actually. Low to mid-teens once again. Maybe 19 degrees in Ayrshire. Northern England, we're in the high teens, low 20s. Maybe even mid-20s in some areas. So 22 Celsius likely. But in the southeast, we're back into the 30s once again. Widely high 20s, low 30s. We could see 31 degrees in some areas, which again would really be very preferable for how much hot weather we've seen this summer, really. But yeah, unfortunately, I think that's what it's looked like for the next couple of weeks. Look at the GFS run. You can see here, this is the 12Z run, and you can see, I'm just going to look at this one for today, really. I don't really want to look at all of these GFS runs. They're all the same. Low pressure to the north. That could be influencing the next... Well, actually, not really. It's just moving away. With a ridge of high pressure at times, and it's going to be broken by low pressure from the southeast, bringing some long spells of rain. And obviously still, we've got ridges trying to form a little bit into mid-next week. So a little bit changeable there. And I could even have a thundery low in the south from the southwest. 12th of August, there's a low pressure system in the northeast. Could bring some spells of rain at times. You right? Oh, sorry about that. And we've got the Azores side building in throughout the week. Probably going to bring some very settled weather at times. Maybe even back to hot weather, but a little bit early to say, really. But yeah, because these are low pressure systems on the 12th, which is a bit annoying because that's where the solar eclipse is. Really annoying, but I know we do need it. I think the more likely areas we can see is western areas where the high pressure may allegedly build, and if it does build, I don't think it's going to get that hot. Look at the ECM. You can see similar picture. We've got a ridging of high pressure, then we've got low pressure to the southwest. That could move in onto Monday, bringing some long spells of rain and showers falling behind it, with a bit of a showery regime throughout next week with the low pressure in the northwest. So yeah, winds mostly coming from the west or northwesterly winds. So mixed conditions likely, and probably a little bit warmer than average, really. So you can see what that is. Finally, UK Met, again, we've got a ridge of high pressure throughout the week. That's gone, and then we've got the low pressure system going out from the southwest. I think an easterly wind could be present there. And still a bit of a showery, changeable feed, really. For the first half of August, looks a bit changeable, with a mix of sunny spells, showers, long spells of rain, and probably cooler temperatures as well, with warmer spells, and a bit windy at times. So thank you very much. I'm going to see you in the next video.